Hello, today I talk about how to calibrate Dtronix gas detector U9500. U9500 is old gas detector, but it's still used in the site. It's completely different than new Dtronix gas detector UD10. Here's UD10 new one. Easy calibration. Put the magnet here. We choose menu in this display, but U9500 just a small display, so it's sometimes confused. Okay, here's the Dtronix U95 is the interface. Here's the increase push button. The setup push button if your new Dtronix U9500 transmitter. You have to set up is high alarm, low alarm is the span. You just push this setup, push button, use increase, decrease. You'll find the menu. So here is the call or reset. This one is the interface, this display. Here is the sensor reading. Here is high alarm, low alarm, access alarm showing here. Okay, is alarm indicator. So if you want to calibrate, you have to use a magnet. Is underneath, touch is underneath of the cover in here. So I show you how to calibrate. Use underneath. So use the magnet to active magnetic read switch in the underneath of the cover. Reset message will be displayed in here. So if your reset message come out, you don't remove magnet, just keep this magnet more than 7 seconds touched in the cover. After that, after more than 7 seconds, it show 20 LO, 40 HI, 50 OUX turning the display. 20 LO means 20% no alarm. 40 HI is 40% high alarm. It's 50 auxiliary is not high auxiliary. It's exceed is set. Okay. It's after that, if you're 20, 40, 50, it shows then it shows is zero call. Near the zero, before near the zero displays the number. This number is zero drift number. Okay. So if you show this zero call, you can hook up zero gas cylinder. You do calibration, zero calibration. After zero calibration, the display show applied gas. So hook up spent gas to do spent calibration. After spent calibration complete, then display show RMV gas, remove gas. That's me. The calibration is complete. If your calibration is successful, the display just shows this one. XX spent is X means the number is, for example, 731 span, 283 span, 515 span. That means is calibration successful. Okay, that is very simple calibration. But if you never do this one, maybe sometimes it's confused. Okay, is that sometimes if your calibration don't show this one, 20 LO, 40 HI, 50 AUX, this one is the alarm setting. You can set in the setup. The setup here, your setup is setting. Okay, depending on what your use, how to use this one, how to set up with this. If you're not set, just the calibration. Yeah, no, this one just waiting up to 7 seconds, immediately come to 0 to call here. Okay, that's it. Calibrate is U9500 Detronic gas detector. Okay, so thank you very much.